Hello, and today we are going to be doing another math video, and today we're going to be doing another video about multiplying fractions by whole numbers and finding a fraction to multiply by a whole number. So let's start. So let's say you work for the Hasbro toy company, which makes Transformers, which are awesome, and people are demanding to see smaller Transformers, and you have to figure out a size. So right now the height of the Transformer 6 inches and the width is 4 inches. So you're thinking and you come up with your new size for your Transformer, and you want the new size to be 3 inches in height and 4 inches in width. 2 inches in width. So, you have your new sizes, but you don't know how to get to those sizes. So you're going to want to find the fraction you need to do. So what we're going to be doing is taking the Transformers and stacking them up evenly to this to find a fraction. So right now, I'd say you pause the video and make your first estimate on how many Transformers, smaller ones, will fit in the big one. Okay, so if you made an estimate, great. If you didn't, oh well, but now we have one Transformer next to our whole one. So right now I'd say probably pause the video again and make another estimate. Okay, so as you can see, the Transformers are now exactly even. 2 Transformers on this side and 1 on this side. There's 1 on this side, 2 on this side. And remember, we're still trying to find our fraction. So the way we're going to do that, this is one whole of these. What's one of one of these in fraction? 1/2 is one of those. So that's a fraction, 1/2. Something I noticed that is pretty cool is that you have 1 whole and 2 smaller pieces. 1/2. You take the one on the left and put the right as the numerator and the right as the denominator, and you get a half, which is your fraction, which is pretty cool. Now right now we're getting the height. So let's find the height. So we're measuring by sixes. Well, the inches already is 6, so we're going to multiply by that. And see if this is the right fraction that we need to multiply by. So you're going to multiply across. 1 times 6 equals 6. 2 times 1 equals 2. And this fraction can be simplified to 3, which is the 3 inches, which is the same height as that right there. Now you're probably thinking, oh, I'm done, but you're wrong. If you didn't do your width, which is across, your guy would be super duper fat. Maybe. Depends on how fat you make him. So that would not be good. So now you want to do the width, which will then help you make the Transformer and make sure the fraction for this is right. So right now I'd say you take another guess estimate, to be correct terms, of how many will fit across. Okay, so we have 2. We have 2 Transformers, and they're even to the 1 and 2. And I'll do the same thing. You have 1 whole. Well, let's talk about these. You have 2 of them. What's one of these? 1/2. So you have 1/2 again. But still, let's make sure we got that right, because you always want to check your work and do all your steps. So 1/2 times 4/1 equals 4/2, which is equal to 2. And we're talking inches, so put inches. Sorry, not good controller at all. So you got 2 inches. 2 inches is the same as the width for here. So yeah, you found the fraction that you need to multiply to make your smaller Transformer. Now, you think you're going to make money, but the sales aren't working still. People are demanding even smaller transformers. The size they want is about 1/2 in width and 3/4 in height. Now, let's figure out what we're going to do. So right now we're going to be doing the height, which is up and down this way. So right now I'd say make an estimate. If how many guys will fit there. So I hope you guys made an estimate. If not, oh well. But as you can see, we have 4 guys here, which looks about a half. So we have at least 4 guys. So I'd say right now I'll make another estimate to how many guys might be there. Okay, so we did our thing again, and now we have 4 more guys, which 4 plus 4 is 8. So we have 1 guy here, and 8 here. Do the same thing. One of these hole, well, this is equal to 1 hole of this guy, and one of these is 1/8. Also, you can do the trick. Now, I'm not sure if that works for everything, but it might. Probably does. So now you're going to want to multiply 1/8 by, well, we're doing the height. So 6 over 1, which will equal 6/8. 6/8, which is equal, when simplified, to 3/4, which is the height of this guy. Now, we're going to be doing the width, which is across this way. So right now, I'd say stop the video and make another estimate so we can get on. Okay, so if you made an estimate, great. If not, doesn't matter. But we have 8 guys again, which is equal, so it's the same fraction, 1/8. One of these is 1/8. Also the trick, 1/8. Now let's multiply to see if we're right. 1/8, and now remember doing a width, so 4 over 1 equals 4. Remember, multiply across. 4/8, which is equal to 1/2, which is the same width as the original new guy. So yay, you found your transformer size, and now you're making money. Now I'm going to sing you a song about making money with math. Money, money, you made money. Now you're getting super rich, 'cause you multiplied fractions with math. Oh no, I did it wrong. And you did it with math to get money. Yay. So, you got money, you got rich, yay. So, yeah, that's awesome. So have a good day and keep learning math. Money.